Very close.
Don't look back as you brave the Black Forest. We're glad to see you have escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and...
It's a fun one.
So we just got off Verbolten, which is right behind us, and it is another coaster in the Germany area of Busch Gardens. And if you don't want a spoiler, probably you should skip through this right now. But anyway, it is a launch coaster, but there's also, the cool thing about it is there's a drop, like Hagrid's motorbike, in the dark, so you don't even see it coming. And basically the idea is you're traveling through the Black Forest in Germany. It's kind of cool. Most of it's in the dark. Very little of it is outside. But it's a really fun coaster. It's a really fun launch coaster, and I really enjoy it. It's a great addition to this park.